Good start again for Jim Nevada and Roper first to turn the Yorkton Co-op barrel. Irvin Quinney is getting out of town now with a Frog Lake Energy Resources Corporation. Here tugs Doug Green with Yorkton Hyundai, but it's smiling Irvin Quinney who's jumped out to grab the early lead, and Irvin's leaving town as he's heading into corner number 2 with the Frog Lake Energy Resources Corporation, and Irvin sets up the backstretch drive with a 3-wagon length lead on Doug Green and Yorkton Hyundai, and then Jim Nevada and Roper's got ground to make up down the backstretch. The engine on the train is smiling Irvin Quinney with these outriders in tow with the Frog Lake Energy Resources Corporation as he throws dust around corner number 3. Doug Green and Yorkton Hyundai is trying to close ground with every stride, and then the traitor is Jim Nevada and Roper, who is running third. Approaching the head of the lane now, it is smiling Irvin Quinney heading to the Yorkton Dodge finish line. Frog Lake Energy Resources Corporation is digging in with these outriders in tow. Here comes smiling Irvin Quinney. First across the line, a good wagon length ahead of Doug Green and Yorkton Hyundai, and then Jim Nevada runs third with Roper in heat number 3.
Sir Irvin Quinney coming off barrel number 3, barrels him very well, gets on the track in a hurry, and back in the infield we have a barrel down. Looks like Jim Nevada knocked his down with his wagon, and we'll talk about that more, but let's go back to Bernie. He's got times from heat number 2.